Another guy who doesn't seem to be fazed by the fire, I've gotten to know him, is Elon. I have to ask you, it's a bit of fun. You were a part of thinking about putting together Zuck versus Elon.
Right.
I trained with both. I did a phone call with Elon and you when we were training on the mat.
Yep.
You really think that could have been a good fight?
It would have been the biggest fight ever done.
The spectacle of it.
Two of the most powerful, wealthiest men in the world, right? Lots of guys talk shit and go back and forth and sue each other and do all this stuff. These two guys were literally talking about facing each other in the octagon and fighting. There's nothing, and they're in a business that's looked at as geeky. You know what I mean? They're tech nerds. They're this, they're that. These are two dudes that were willing to throw down and fight. And you know as well as I do, there's a lot of public speculation about this. I was taking serious real time and working on this thing. I mean, I had projections. I had numbers. I was looking at venues. I was on the phone with the fucking Coliseum in Italy. You name it, I was in it. These guys were serious, and this was something that was really going to happen. And I'll tell you right now, in the short amount of time that it was going down, it was fun. I was having a blast with it.